Pour a little bit of tomato sauce right there on top of our tortilla. You guys, we are throwing together your new favorite lunch. Yes, super easy, simple, won't break the bank. Let's throw some mozzarella cheese right there on with this tortilla. Now, of course, you could use any type of tortilla that you want. You could use a wheat tortilla, a spinach tortilla, a tomato tortilla. I don't know. There's so many tortillas now. You guys tell me in the comments, what is your favorite kind of tortilla? I don't know. And maybe you're even gonna choose gluten-free. I love that option. Of course, we're gonna throw a little bit of pepperoni on here with this pizza. We're just gonna layer this up nice and quickly with some pepperoni. We are off to an amazing start, you guys. Do you do this? Do you make tortilla pizzas? We are gonna add a little bit more to this in just a few minutes, but first we're gonna pop this in the oven and we're gonna let it get crispy and the cheese to get melty, and stick around because you're gonna love this, absolutely. While our crispy tortilla pizza is cooking right there in the oven, we are gonna take a little bit of romaine lettuce here and we're gonna chop that right up just using our kitchen shears, because that's the easiest version. I don't know, do you guys use your kitchen shears for a lot of stuff? I think it just makes life so much easier. I swear, I could just scissor all day. Okay, so that looks about good. We just want a little bit of lettuce right in there. We are gonna add some Caesar dressing. Now choose your Caesar dressing of choice. I tend to like the creamier Caesar dressing. And you know what, is there a difference? Why are there two different styles, and what makes Caesar dressing Caesar dressing? Okay, is this gonna come out? Come on, there we go. Okay, good, now it's starting to cooperate. We have a little Caesar dressing in there. One of my favorites. Of course, we're gonna need to accompany that with some Parmesan cheese. So I'm just gonna eyeball it, pour some Parmesan cheese right in there. And how about some black pepper? Let's add some black pepper right in with that. And just give that a little toss. Oh, so fresh. I love, love, love Caesar salad. Yummy. I am hungry for lunch. I don't know about you guys, but check this out. We're taking that Caesar that we just did, and we're just gonna plop it right on top of our little tortilla pizza. And then nice and carefully, look at, we're just gonna roll it up. So we have our Caesar salad and our pizza all rolled up. I love the cold crispiness from the lettuce, and I love the hot from the cheese and the pepperoni and the sauce. And let's see. Look at that. Oh, we have fresh, crispy goodness right in there, you guys. This is where it's at right here. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. We just took two amazing, simple things, combined them into one, and made the best way to eat pizza. Let me know what you guys think. Are you throwing anything else in with this? I'm digging in. See you guys later.